Guys, I'm back with another video. So, welcome back to Brianna plus Unika's channel. I was supposed to be trying on school clothes today for you, but sadly, I believe so, but I'm gonna have to put the clothes back, and I don't want to do that.
Sure.
Oh, well, I'm already making it. But Nika's right over there. So, if my dad lets me post this, which he probably is, I'm going to be doing it even. I don't want to put them back up, but I'm going to put them back up for you guys. So, you better enjoy this because I am actually putting on school clothes for you guys and letting you see them, and I'm hanging them back up. So,
Are you gonna walk down the stairs?
probably, but I need to set the camera up somewhere else.
And I shall pause.
Yeah, pause.
I just woke up from up there. The bed's a mess.
I woke up at like 7 for something.
I woke up with Grandma.
Alright guys, so I don't have... Jesus! So I don't have a lot of pants, to be honest. I have 3 pairs of pants. So I'm just going to go with the shirts. I have like 7... No, wait. 1, 2, 3... Like 4 shirts. So, and I only have like 3 pairs of pants. So this is the first shirt I'm going to be trying on for you guys. I am a size extra large, 14 and 16. So it's just with paintbrushes. I thought this was really cute because
I think it's cute because it has a little pocket.
Yeah, my dad loves the paintbrushes part, and so do I. And my favorite color is this color, which is yellow. So, like, yeah.
And it's kind of soft and it feels good.
So, I'm just going to go put that on for you guys. Yes, I do have shorts on. So, Nika doesn't have shorts on because she's wearing a nightgown. But, yeah, it still has its tag and everything. So, yeah. I'm just going to go try it on. Nika.
I'll pause. Bye. See you later after she tries it on. Okay, and here she is.
So, guys, I don't know if yellow looks good on me. You got to tell me, guys. So, I think I love this shirt. It's just not that comfortable with the tag and stuff.
Brianna could actually put real paintbrushes.
Yeah, and it does stop here. So, yeah, that's number 1. Number 2. Alright, number 2 is
This one's a cute one.
Yeah, this one's really cute. So, number 2 is going to be this little
Hedgehog.
hedgehog, yeah. And it's glittery, which is I don't like about that. But this is actually like the super soft feeling, Nika. Yeah. And it's from Cotton Jack. If you want to get any of this, this is all from Target. So, here I go trying on number 2.
Bye. Here she is.
This is really, really soft to be awesome. It's kind of see-through if you can tell. See, you can see my bra. But that is okay with me.
I love these little things right here. They look like little specks. They're so cute.
Yeah. And then guys, me, Nika, and my grandma, and probably Zoe, are going to have to go make another period kit because I don't know where mine went. And yes, you guys are probably thinking, in your other backpack. No, it's not. I took it out.
This one's just like the cutest, I think.
This one
also feels
awesome.
super cute.
This is the softest one, believe it or not. My dad picked this one out, and he's like, "You should wear this because you're like into worlds and stuff." Well, he was into worlds, and he's like into that stuff. And I'm like, "Heck yeah, this is soft. This is amazing."
I just love that shirt. If I was Brianna, I would wear that shirt every single day.
Number 3.
Let's get on to it. Here's number 3.
This is like the softest ever one, and I just love it. I feel like I want to wear this one for like the first day of school. So next is number 4, and this is number 4.
It's cute.
Yeah, this is really cute. It reminds me of Penny. So I'm going to be probably wearing this for the first day of school, this one for like the second, and I'm going to be wearing some pants with this to get it over
I like
with.
these ones. I like these ones.
I know. That's what I'm This is what I'm probably going to wear for the first day of school since it matches. If you can tell, move your head, Nika. See? You can match. So, there goes on with number 4.
Number 5. She looks beautiful.
Thanks, Nika. So here are the pants. They're
I like
yoga
them.
pants.
And right here
They
was
go
like the
all
softest.
the way up to my belly.
Right here's like the softest part.
And there's the butt and that. And then here is the shirt. So you guys, like, it matches totally well, doesn't it? And then I'm going to be wearing makeup with it maybe. So on to number 5. Wait, that's number 5, right? Number 5?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I'm going to be wearing this shirt with these jeans. These are super duper cute jeans. Like, this is awesome. It's really cute.
I think you should wear these with the world.
Yeah, that's what I was planning on wearing for the second day. So number 5.
Let's get on. Hey, let's go.
So these are the jeans. These are softer than the yoga pants. So these are the jeans. They are not high-waisted, I don't think. No, they're not. Then there. If you like it there. And then there. And then just, it's like that. So, you guys are probably thinking, "Ugh, this is ugly." It's not ugly. It's very good. These are 14s and jeggings, and these are 12s. But guys, these will shrink in the washer, believe me. So these are pretty saggy for now, but when my grandma washes them,
I really like this part of it.
they won't be saggy. So number 6.
6. Ah! So here's Rihanna's.
So like I said, guys, these are pretty saggy, but my grandma's gonna wash them, and they're not gonna look as saggy as you guys see them right now. Like, these look orange in the camera, but they're like a bright red. Right, Nika? They look orange.
Yeah.
So,
But they're bright red. I mean, like bright.
like, they're really bright, yeah.
I like them a lot. I might just go to Target and get a matching pair of those.
There's the butt.
I went to Target the other day,
So,
and I think I saw your world shirt.
okay, guys. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys really enjoy this video. And thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much, and we do. And we are the Brianna Pussy Nika crew. And so, guys, guess what? My dad seen this unicorn shirt at Target, and okay, let me show you. Alright, guys. So you see these jackets here? You see it? His are cut out like that. And it was the same exact color as this. And it said unicorn power on it, and it was a shirt. And my dad said, you should get that. And then we go the next day, like, not the next day, but like the other day to go school shopping. And it's not there. And I'm like, I was so mad. Because I really wanted it, but yeah. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoy my school clothes. Maybe Nika can do hers later on for school. But we start school in, wait, what's today?
Today is August 23rd. Tomorrow I get the baby, and that's all I know.
So we start school in 6 more days.
Yay!
Oh, actually, no. We actually start school in 4 more days.
Yay!
Not counting the weekends. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe me and Nika will make a video if my dad lets me post this video. We'll go about, what is it called?
It's showing the butterfly.
We'll do the homecoming thing. What is it called?
What's that?
What's the thing? Oh, the thing where you get all the school supplies. So I'm going to be getting my school supplies in my backpack this weekend, so I couldn't show you that. But, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
I'm not getting my school supplies.
Yeah, she's not getting it. She's buying it from the school. So, yeah. Right, Nika?
And I got lots of keychains to hang on my backpack, so that's going to
I
be
have-
hard.
I have like 2.
I have like 6. My backpack's
Nika, most of
see-through.
it will be getting stolen, right?
No.
Yeah. Lots
No.
of people steal it.
No.
Okay.
Last year I had them on.
Yeah, but that was in 2nd grade. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Love you guys so much. And we'll see you in our next video. Bye.
Where did these papers come from?